Welcome again. In this video, one of the most important videos in my channel, I'm going to teach you how to locate the BIOS. Many of beginners, even technicians, don't know how to spot in seconds the BIOS chip in the motherboard. Today, I'll teach you step by step. By the way, if you want exclusive content and free schematics, join me on my Patreon page to be impressed. So this is basically the BIOS. The simple way to identify the BIOS is to look to IC with a color. The BIOS holds a color, as you can see in this board also. So this is the very simple way. The second technique by locating the super I/O. Usually about 80% we find the BIOS near the super I/O, as you can see in this motherboard. In this motherboard also BIOS is I/O. In this board also BIOS is I/O. In this board also we have SIO super I/O. But where is the BIOS? The BIOS is right under this chip. Look, remember this circle, this cutted edge, and also edge over here. I will go to the back, as you can see. Over here we have the cutted circle, we have the edge, we have the BIOS right under the super I/O. The same for this motherboard. We have the super I/O, and right under the super I/O we have the BIOS. Also remember this angle here and this circle. Okay, remember, I will go to the back like this. This is the BIOS. Now let's move on to the third technique. Please, before diving into the course, we'd like to give a huge thank you to the sponsor for this video, PCBWay. PCBWay offers many services ranging from PCB production and assembly to 3D printing and a variety of materials. CNC machining, sheet metals fabrication, injection molding, and more. PCBWay makes it easy to get custom parts for your project. And if you don't like to work a lot with a soldering iron, they can even assemble your PCBs for you. That's the PCBWay. Now back to the video. We have seen the color. Always the BIOS is painted with a color. It could be blue, red, pink, no problem. The second technique is by locating the super I/O, we find the BIOS next to it or under this chip in the back of the motherboard. The third technique, basically we have third technique and fourth technique. The fourth will impress you. So the third technique is by locating the PCH or ICH, depending on the type of the motherboard. If the motherboard is old motherboards, use the ICH input-output control hub to locate the BIOS. But if the board is newest, means you find just the processor and the PCH, use the PCH to locate the BIOS. Look, we have here processor, we have the PCH, we have right next to the PCH, we have BIOS. Two BIOSes for this motherboard. Of course, for this board, we have ICH, we have BIOS, and we have the super I/O in the same time, and also we have the color over here. Okay, we have another motherboard where we have the PCH, the BIOS. Another board here, we have the ICH, the BIOS with color. And of course, in some boards also, as you can see, we have the SIO, we have the BIOS, but the PCH is under the BIOS. Also remember here, this ground here, if I go to the back, as you can see, here we have the PCH and the BIOS is right here. Okay, the BIOS is right here. We have the circle, the BIOS, we have the PCH. Now we reach the most important technique, very easy technique and efficient technique that works in all motherboards. So look, this is the BIOS chip, and over here we have the MOSFET. The BIOS chip is always bigger than the MOSFET. Another motherboard, we have the BIOS chip in terms of size always bigger than a normal MOSFET or 8-pin IC. Another motherboard, we have the BIOS over here and we have MOSFET over here. Look to the size. The MOSFET and the BIOS. BIOS is always bigger. Another clear motherboard, we have the BIOS, we have MOSFET. The BIOS always bigger than a MOSFET. I hope that you understand the video. Please remember, we locate the BIOS by following 4 techniques. The first technique is by referring to the BIOS color. Second technique, the BIOS is about 80% always near the super I/O. Third technique, the ICH or PCH is usually near the BIOS. And the last technique and the most efficient is that the size of the BIOS is bigger than a normal MOSFET or 8-pin IC. I hope that you understand the video. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon for more in-depth upcoming videos, and make sure you see the full series in my channel. You will find hundreds of exclusive informative videos that will help you master electronics. And of course, for anyone who wants to thank me, the best way to say thank you is by liking and sharing the video. Thank you very much.